Stretching between the Americas, Europe, and Africa, the Atlantic Ocean is more than just water. It's a world of secrets, mysteries, and incredible natural wonders. Beneath its waves lie mountains taller than Everest, seas with no shores, lost ships, and creatures straight out of science fiction. Today, we dive deep into its hidden treasures and uncover the seven wonders of the Atlantic Ocean, sights and stories that will leave you amazed. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge, 020, 110. Far beneath the surface of the Atlantic lies a hidden giant, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, the longest mountain range on Earth. Stretching over 16,000 kilometers from the Arctic Ocean all the way to the southern tip of Africa, it cuts the Atlantic almost perfectly in half. What makes it extraordinary is that this massive chain is mostly invisible, buried under thousands of meters of water. Here, tectonic plates slowly drift apart, creating cracks where molten rock rises and builds new ocean floor. It's a place where the Earth is literally reshaping itself. Some of its peaks are so tall they break the surface to form volcanic islands like Iceland and the Azores. Imagine mountains taller than the Alps, stretching endlessly across the ocean, a wonder few will ever see with their own eyes. The Bermuda Triangle, 110, Tuha. Next on our journey is the Bermuda Triangle, a legendary region stretching between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. For decades, it has been shrouded in mystery, earning nicknames like the Devil's Triangle. Countless tales speak of ships vanishing without a trace and planes disappearing from the sky, sparking endless debates. Was it fierce storms, magnetic anomalies, human error, or something far stranger? While science often points to unpredictable weather and powerful ocean currents, the stories have fueled myths of time warps, alien abductions, and underwater civilizations like Atlantis. Real or imagined, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of the Atlantic's most haunting wonders, a place where fact and legend are forever entangled. Sargasso Sea, 200, 240. Next, the Sargasso Sea, the only sea in the world with no land borders. Its crystal-clear water is filled with floating sargassum seaweed, providing a unique home for eels, turtles, and countless sea creatures. Titanic wreck, 240, 320. In 1912, the Titanic sank in the North Atlantic. Today, its wreck lies nearly 4,000 meters deep, a haunting underwater museum that reminds us of one of history's most tragic voyages. Giant ocean currents, the Gulf Stream, 320, 400. Flowing like a hidden highway in the sea, the Gulf Stream is one of the most powerful ocean currents on Earth. Starting in the Gulf of Mexico, it carries warm water thousands of kilometers across the Atlantic, reaching as far as Europe. This immense river within the ocean is so strong, it moves more water than all the world's rivers combined. The Gulf Stream acts like Earth's climate engine, warming Western Europe, fueling powerful hurricanes, and influencing weather patterns across the globe. For centuries, explorers relied on it too. Spanish galleons and merchant ships used the Gulf Stream's flow to speed up their journeys back to Europe, turning it into a vital route for trade and discovery. Even today, scientists study it closely because any shift in the Gulf Stream could change weather, sea levels, and life as we know it. It's not just a current, it's the Atlantic's beating heart. Iceland's Blue Lagoon and volcanoes, 400, 440. Few places on Earth capture the raw power of nature, like Iceland, where the Atlantic's restless forces are on full display. Sitting right on the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, the island is torn apart by shifting tectonic plates, creating a dramatic land of fire and ice. Here, volcanic eruptions paint the skies with fire, while glaciers and snowfields lie just a few kilometers away. Out of this fiery landscape rises the world-famous Blue Lagoon, a natural hot spring surrounded by ancient lava fields. Its milky blue, mineral-rich waters are not only breathtaking but also a symbol of how the ocean's energy can create beauty as well as destruction. Iceland reminds us that the Atlantic Ocean is alive, constantly reshaping the land, forging volcanoes, geysers, and steaming pools where fire truly meets ice. Deep-sea creatures of the Atlantic, 440, 520. Beneath the crushing pressure of the Atlantic's deepest trenches lies a world few humans have ever seen, a world that feels more alien than earthly. Here, in the eternal darkness, life has adapted in astonishing ways. Glowing jellyfish drift like living lanterns, their bodies shimmering with bioluminescence. The terrifying anglerfish lurks with its glowing lure, attracting prey in the blackness. And in the shadows, the elusive giant squid, once thought to be only a sailor's myth, prowls with eyes the size of dinner plates, watching silently. These bizarre creatures thrive in conditions that would crush a submarine, proving that life can exist in the most extreme and mysterious places on our planet. The Atlantic's deep sea is not just a frontier of science. It's a reminder that Earth's greatest wonders are still waiting in the dark. These seven wonders are proof that the ocean is both our greatest mystery and our greatest teacher. The more we discover, the more we realize there's still so much left unexplored. Stay curious, keep exploring, and dive with us again into the wonders of our blue planet.